I'm Shruti. I'm from Pondicherry. When I was looking for a job, I came across eVision TechnoServe Private Limited. I went to the website of eVision TechnoServe and came to know that it is a fast growing IT recruitment and manpower outsourcing company which has trained thousands of students and made them place in the top MNCs. So I decided to join in Aviation TechnoServe and I joined in July 2020. Really got a real-time experience and exposure in core technologies like Windows administration, CCNA, Linux administration, and virtualization. It is honestly a good service done by eVision, as there is a special trainer for different special subjects. The trainers were very good and generous in providing more informations, and they never failed or refused to answer or clear our doubts whenever we asked for. I wanted to share what I learned actually. In Windows administration, I learned how to manage local users and administrator accounts, and how to install and configure softwares and applications, how to backup and restore Windows and as well as Outlook mails, how to send and receive email in Outlook, how to boot in safe mode when a BSOD error, that is a black screen or a blue screen, occurs, and how to connect with clients through remote connection, and also how to troubleshoot Windows and printers, also software, other softwares and hardwares, etc. In CCNA, I learned the fundamentals of networking, like how to configure routers and switches, and also how to configure the types of routers like RIP version 1 and 2, and OSPF and IGRP, etc. And also configure network topologies using routers, servers, hub, and switches as well. Also, I learned the ITIL concepts like a ticketing tool, incident management, project management, and SLA, that is a service level agreement, operational level agreement, and SLA bleaching, etc. Windows Server, I learned how to configure ADDS, that is Active Directory Domain Service, and also the concepts about domain controller, AD, Active Directory, and group policy objects. Under group policy objects, local GPO and non-local GPO, and also organizational units, etc. Believe every practical is equivalent to the 1 year experience in IT company, because we are trained a lot and our trainers trained us each and every topic in both practically and theoretically. After having more than 3 interviews, I gained confidence and improved my skills, and now I feel confident and courageous to face the real time interview. I will contribute my gained skills and knowledge to the organization, and I assure you that I will give my best for the upliftment of the company. Yes, I can say confidently that I can face the real time interview. I thank the eVision team for, for giving me this great help and support. Thank you.